Hi students, in this video we are going to learn question number 3 from exercise number 3.5. Solve the pair of linear equations by substitution method and cross multiplication method is our question. So these are the equations given. Now first we need to find the solution by substitution method. Substitution method means from any one of the equation we should get the x or y value that should be substituted in the other equation. From the first equation now, I am taking the first equation, that is 8x plus 5y is equal to 9. I am going to get my x value. So here 8x is equal to 9 minus 5y you should write. This plus 5 I have taken to other side, it will become minus 5y. Now what will be your x? X is equal to 9 minus 5y. This multiplication 8, when you are bringing it to this side, this will become division. So x is equal to 9 minus 5y by 8. This x value should be substituted in the second equation. So this is your first equation, this is your second equation. Now here substitute x in second equation. My second equation is 3x plus 2y is equal to 4. Now 3 into, in the place of x you take this value, 9 minus 5y by 8, and this plus 2y is equal to 4. So after writing, this 3 should be multiplied inside. So here 3 9s are 27 minus 5 3s are 15y. Here we have a denominator 8 and plus this is 2y by 1 which is equal to 4. For 8 and 1 we need to take the LCM. So the LCM is 8. Here already 8 is available. So 27 minus 15y will come as it is. This plus 2y here I am having only 1 but I want to make it as 8. So into 8 I should do. So 2y into 8 will give you 16y which is equal to 4. Now the denominator 8 you can take it into other side, it will become multiplication. So the remaining value is 27 minus 15 plus 16. So minus value plus 1y which is equal to 4 into 8. So 1y is equal to, here 4 8s are 32. This plus 27, if you bring it into other side, that will become minus 27. So y is equal to 5. Y value we are getting 5. Y value should be substituted here. My x is equal to 9 minus 5y by. So we know that x is equal to 9 minus 5y by 8 that we have taken in the beginning. Now which is equal to 9 minus 5 into y value we got 5 by 8 we are getting. So 9 minus 25 by 8 we are getting here. So here we are getting 9 minus 25 by 8. 9 minus 25 will give you minus 16 by 8. Minus 16 by 8 is minus 2. So x value is minus 2. So what is the solution we are getting finally? X is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 5. This is a solution by the substitution method. The same problem should be solved by cross multiplication now. So let us go for cross multiplication method. So the first step of the cross multiplication method is, the same problem should be solved by cross multiplication. That is our question. Solved by substitution and cross multiplication. So to do the cross multiplication, your first step is that constant should be taken to this side. So first equation will become 8x plus 5y is minus 9 which is equal to 0. The second equation you should write 3x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. After writing this, without memorizing your formula, you can solve this problem very easily. So that shortcut, to do that shortcut, you just write it like this: x, y and constant. X coefficient, what are all the x coefficient here? 8 and 3. What is your y coefficients? 5 and 2. What is the constants are given? Minus 9, minus 4. You just write this in your up column, and here just write it x by and y by and which is equal to 1 by, you write it. Here x by, the terms which you are going to write it here, that should not be the x value. You have to close your x value. The remaining 4 terms, what is there? 5 2 minus 9 minus 4, that should be taken here. 5 2 minus 9 minus 4, that should be taken for x. When we are writing for y, you have to close your y, the remaining terms. But you should not go backwards, you should go always forward. So after y, what you should write? Constant values. So after closing the y, minus 9 minus 4 first, minus 9 minus 4, then you have to write your 8 3, then 8 3. Otherwise what you are writing at the last, that should be come to the first. Like that also you can keep it in your mind. Then when you are writing for constant, you have to close your constant. After closing constant, you are getting x and y terms. So what are the terms are there? 8 3 5 2. That it should be written 8 3 5 2. So this is a way of writing. After writing, what you should do is cross multiple. This is called actually cross multiplication. First we have to multiply these two terms, then we have to put the minus sign, then we have to go for a multiplication of these two. That is a format for cross multiplication. So x by here 5 fours are 20, so minus is there, that will become minus 20. Here minus is a formula, then we need to multiply these two numbers. 2 9s are 18, minus is there, so minus 18 you write, which is equal to y by, again the same way, first you should multiply these two. So 9 3s are 27, so minus is there, so minus 27. Take minus, minus is your formula. After writing this minus, go for the next multiplication. So 4 into 8 will give you 32, minus sign is there, so minus 32 you have to take, which is equal to 1 by, same way. First you should multiply these two. 8 2s are 16. Write the minus sign, minus is your formula, and 3 5s are 15. Like this you should write. We'll go for the simplification. So x by, this is minus 20, minus into minus will become plus 18. Here y by minus 27 plus 32, which is equal to 1 by 16 minus 15 is 1. Here we are getting x by minus 20 plus 18 is minus 2. This is y by 32 minus 27 is actually 5, which is equal to 1 by 1. Now the x value also should be equated to constant, that y value also should be equated to constant. So let us equate now. So x by minus 2 is equal to 1 by 1. To the cross multiplication, 1 will come here, minus 2. Division minus 2 will go that side as a multiplication. So x is equal to 1 into minus 2, that is equal to minus 2. My x value is minus 2 I am getting. Y value, y by 5 is equal to 1 by 1 we are getting. So these two equating. Do the cross multiplication, y is equal to 1 into 5. So y is equal to 5 we are getting. So finally we are getting x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 5. What we are getting here, the same thing we are getting in cross multiplication also. So this is a solution we got in substitution method. This is the answer we are getting in cross multiplication method. So both are same. So what we have done is correct. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, subscribe our channel for more videos.